Welcome to the world of AUTEC, where tradition meets technology. This instructional video will guide you step by step on how to properly maintain and operate ASM250A. In this section, we will show you how to disassemble and reassemble the unit. To disassemble, hold the top of the front cover and pull it towards you. Next, hold the cutter unit by the handling positions and pull up. Pull the set plate towards you and then carefully lift the cut base upwards by the rear. Pull out the catch stay towards you. Next, pull the slide cover up and out towards you from the bottom. Finally, pull out the dust tray towards you. To reassemble, insert the dust tray into the bottom area of the main unit. Lock in the slide cover's hooks located at the top right and left to the main unit's slide cover bosses and press the cover into the main unit. Attach the catch stay to the catch base by aligning the catch stay to the slit grooves of the slide cover. Next, hook the collar on the front side of the cut base to the square opening on the set plate and push down. Then, generously apply AUTEC oil onto the cutter blades and place onto the cutter unit with the blade cutting edge facing down. Insert cutter unit into cutter unit guide with the blade cutting edge facing away from you. Finally, place the front cover back on. In this section, we will show you how to operate ASM250A. Before production begins, always make sure the emergency button is off. Place the sushi roll onto the cut plate. Push the both start buttons located on both sides of the robot simultaneously to cut the sushi roll. Here are some helpful tips for ASM250A. If the front cover is even slightly off, the robot will cease to operate and the operation mode light will switch off. If you need to adjust the blade tension, use a torque driver to tighten the screw and adjust the blade's tension before you operate the robot. When adjusting, please follow the sequence shown in this image here. That concludes this guide for how to operate and maintain ASM250A. Thank you for choosing AUTEC for your sushi business needs, and please visit www.sushimachines.com for more information.